Liberty Center 1 is designed to give customers maximum efficiency through a data center designed for high-density computing. The days of 40 to 80 watts per square foot of power density for data center floor space are over. Today's beefy multi-quad-core processor servers drink lots of power. Where some data centers tie your available power to the square footage of the floor space you purchase, Liberty says pack that 42U rack full and just tell us how much power you need. This is because with up to 250 watts of power per square foot and 270 tons of cooling, Liberty Center is waiting for your high-density computing. We expect 90% server utilization and virtualized environments. So if you are looking to virtualize and reduce the number of servers you need by up to an order of magnitude, Liberty Center is waiting to provide you with the power and cooling you need to do it. Now that is an efficient use of your computing dollar. CFOs love the virtualization concept because they no longer have to justify investing in assets that will only be 5 to 10% utilized. However, CFOs can sell all day long investing in assets, i.e. servers, that can be 70 to 90% utilized all the time. When it comes to communication networks, Liberty Center's approach is to provide a combination of resiliency and dependability through the use of multiple carriers. Liberty Center 1 works with these multiple providers in a fiber-rich location. Customers can take advantage of Liberty's 100 megabit per second burstable circuits, multi-gigabit Ethernet, and virtually unlimited bandwidth. Liberty providers have both diverse paths to and diverse entry points into the building. Through the use of these multiple providers, Liberty also benefits from diverse peering, providing robust access to national networks. Liberty's core network infrastructure consists of 4 Cisco 6500 enterprise-class switches configured in a full mesh, with 2 6500 switches at the edge that interface to the Internet, and 2 additional 6500 switches at the core that interface with our customers. The network infrastructure is configured in this fashion to provide superior data protection through layers of redundancy. The Cisco switches have a variety of network security features that automatically repel certain types of DOS and other Internet traffic threats. Additionally, redundant supervisor cards are installed to eliminate single points of failure. BGP routing is used to ensure that customer traffic is maintained through automatic failover protection to alternate carriers in the event of a single carrier outage. Liberty Center 1 uses a modern fire suppression system that is based upon the inert gas called FM200. In the event of a fire, the FM200, when discharged into the data room, will put out a fire without any detrimental effect on people, servers, or other systems. The FM200 was chosen as our fire suppression solution in lieu of the much less expensive dry pipe fire suppression that is used in most older Michigan data centers. Dry pipe creates a risk for customer equipment because in the event of a triggering event or fire, water will come out of the pipe to put out the fire, simultaneously damaging the servers and systems. Instead, FM200 extinguishes the fire and leaves only a fine powder which is simply removed by the HVAC system. The fire will be extinguished in our equipment and our customer servers will be unharmed. Additionally, every local fire person has toured Liberty Center 1 and has been trained on the safety features in the facility. They all know that Liberty has emergency fire suppression, so they won't have to come into the facility with axes and hoses. They fully understand the life safety advantages of our fire suppression system. Liberty Center 1 is a highly secure data facility featuring multiple redundant security systems. Liberty has physical and biometric systems that protect entry into the facility and the data rooms. A network of security cameras throughout the interior and exterior of the facility monitors all entrances, exits, and other critical areas. The closed-circuit camera system is equipped with a motion detection DVR system that records any camera where movement is detected. Data room entry is protected through the use of a 2-stage man trap requiring both a physical keycard and a scanned fingerprint. The door control system is monitored remotely by a third-party alarm company that reports any evidence of a security breach to the authorities immediately. Furthermore, all environmental systems and critical infrastructure systems such as the UPS, generators, and cooling systems are monitored 24/7. In addition, All Liberty systems can be, and are, monitored remotely by our personnel via web-based dashboards. Alarms and alerts are dispatched to technicians via text message, pager, email, and phone. Our techs carry PDAs on a 24/7 basis and can perform simple diagnostic functions remotely. Liberty Center 1 provides a high availability environment with no single point of failure anywhere in the design. Every critical system has a minimum of N+1 redundancy, beginning with our power system. Liberty employs 2 uninterruptible power supplies, each with separate battery strings to provide over 1,350 kilowatts of standby power. This dual UPS system provides 2 completely separate electrical paths to the data center floor, resulting in redundant power feeds to your rack. This means for servers with dual power supplies, Liberty can provide customers separate circuits with independent circuit panels, PDUs, transient voltage suppression systems, and more that are all connected back to separate UPS units. Thus, the power system design eliminates any single point of failure. Liberty Center 1 is connected to Detroit Edison through our private 2.5 megawatt primary transformer. In the event of a loss of primary power from Detroit Edison, the dual UPS system will carry all customer and critical system load until the dual backup generators come online. We have 20 to 30 minutes of battery time at full data center capacity. These dual generators are rated to start in 20 seconds, but start reliably in 10 to 15 seconds. These generators are brand new 750 kilowatt Kohler power system plants with locomotive-sized Cummins diesel engines. To support the first of 2 data rooms, there are 2 sets of generator systems for a combined total of 1.5 megawatts of backup power generation. Each of these generators has its own 2,000-gallon diesel fuel storage tank on site, and all of these tanks are interconnected through a remote external refueling supply point. 4 geographically diverse emergency refueling suppliers are under contract to provide 24/7 refueling support. Additionally, our electrical and data rooms are cooled by multiple 30-ton Liebert air handling units. Each 30-ton Liebert consists of 2 15-ton compressors, giving multiple layers of redundancy. Both the electrical and data rooms have N+1 air handlers. Our networking systems also feature a high degree of redundancy with both diverse path and diverse entry points from separate upstream carriers and upstream pairing to the national internet. Liberty Center 1 is designed to give customers maximum scalability and flexibility. Everything about Liberty Center is designed to look at each customer on an individual case basis and determine exactly what fits each customer's needs. Liberty also offers co-location space of a quarter rack, a half rack, a full rack, multiple racks, or private cage space. Customers can elect their own level of bandwidth commitment or elect to purchase bandwidth by the drink. Power is provided in any configuration: 120 volts, 208 volts, single phase, 3-phase power, 20, 30, or 40 amp circuits. A modern power bus system enables Liberty to install power in minutes for customers who have to move fast. Liberty also provides a full range of managed services to those customers who do not want to worry about the day-to-day management of their equipment. At Liberty Center, one size does not fit all. Our customers' unique needs for their business situations are the driving factor for the solutions we design.